This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the windshield wipers on a 2003 GMC Yukon XL 2500. So as you can see over here, this wiper is no longer very effective. It's got the little rubber piece coming off. So what I did is I researched and I looked at particularly the Project Farm guy on YouTube, and he said these Bosch icons are the best. So we're going to replace presumably what is OEM or some cheap Walmart brand with these expensive Bosch icon and see if it makes a difference. The first thing you'll notice is I have this towel here. Don't know if it's true or not, but guys on the internet mentioned that if you're replacing your wipers and they smack into your windshield glass, you can shatter it. So just put a little towel here and that should prevent it from causing any damage. Looking at the wiper over here, there's this little tab, and then you should just push the tab in and then slide the wiper back to be able to remove it. So that took literally less than 15 seconds and we have the old wiper off. I'm no wiper expert, so I don't know if this is engineered better or why people like these Bosch, but the top one is the old broken wiper and this one is the 22A. So what we're using for this vehicle is the 22A and the 22B, and it says on their website that A goes on the driver's side. This looks a little bit more curved to me, so we'll see how it performs. For these Bosch icon, it's a pretty easy install. Once you've taken the old one off, you just come over here to this little area and pinch it. See if I can do it with one hand. And then that opens up, and that's what you'll be sliding the hook through, and you'll just feel that it engages and you'll hear a pop when it's seated, and then you'll be good to go. And there we go. So it took about less than 5 minutes, 2 new Bosch icons. I'm just gonna go inside, start the car, use the windshield wipers with the wiper fluid, make sure that everything is seated, and then over the next few months we'll see if this was worth spending the extra money. And it looks like everything's working as it should. So I got rid of my squeak from my old broken one, and we'll see as we get into rain and snow if this Bosch icon offers any actual improvement. Thanks for watching.